Alright, you guys, I am back with another video. I am doing a twist out today. I'm doing just a regular twist out, no flat twist. It's just going to be single twists, but I'm doing the twist out a little differently. As you can see, I am using mousse. I've seen a lot of people using mousse for their twist outs, and I thought it looked promising. I was a little bit skeptical at first, but I decided that I wanted to try it anyway. So as you can see, there's nothing different here from a regular twist out. It was just the product that I was using that I really wanted to tell you guys about. I'm using the Curl Quench Foaming Mousse with Coconut Milk by Creme of Nature. It is amazing. I love Creme of Nature products. Oh, and yeah, I know my lips are moving. I was on FaceTime. Just ignore that. So here, what you can see me doing is combing through halfway down. It is a very good habit to have just to make sure that the twist is as smooth as possible. I like to do little texture checks sometimes while I'm twisting it, just to see like what exactly the product is doing for my hair without, having twisted it yet. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this takedown process, because watching the twisting process can be really long and kind of boring. Yeah, once you've seen a couple of twists in, different spots all over the head, it's, really easy to get it. You don't have to keep rewatching as long as you know exactly what is going on and how to do it. Alright, so what I am doing is taking each twist and twisting it in the opposite direction of the way it was twisted to help eliminate the frizz during the takedown process. And you're going to do the same thing with each portion of the twists while you're taking them down. Okay, you guys, check this out. I love this mousse. Like, look at that. Like, so much definition. I am in love right now. Like, I had no idea that it was gonna come out like this, and it's very light. It doesn't weigh the hair down. It's very light. There's still bounce and definition. As you can see, it is amazing. I love this stuff. Alright guys, that's it for this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with friends, and follow on Facebook and Instagram.